do you think morality is objective? In other words, are you a moral realist or not?
I am a moral realist. I think it's because of the symmetries of a world and the kind of stuff that's in it. So it's nothing particularly supernatural or metaphysical about it. But I do think actually there is something like right or wrong that makes sense.
Okay. And you spoke a bit about alien civilization, and you wrote a lot about the Fermi paradox. So what's the current probability for alien civilization in the universe? Do you think we are the first or we are early?
I think we're right in the middle of a group, but I think the universe is sparsely populated. So our nearest neighbors are probably in another galaxy. It's going to take a while before we meet them.
And in terms of your interpretation of quantum mechanics, do you think we live in a many world, or there is a Copenhagen interpretation is the most likely, or something else?
I'm very much of a many world person. Copenhagen introduces this weird wave function collapse without explaining how that ever works. Many world solves this very nicely, actually. From a mathematical standpoint, it's much cleaner. It's just that existentially, it feels so weird.
Yeah, it makes everything much bigger. And regarding consciousness, do you have a favorite hypothesis to explain consciousness?
No, not at all. I don't understand consciousness at all. I usually excuse myself, say, I'm a lousy philosopher of mind. I just don't know. Sometimes I'm a panpsychist, and then I realize that sounds stupid. And sometimes I doubt consciousness even exists, and then I realize that's also a very stupid position. Then I say, okay, I'm a functionalist. But how do I motivate that? I don't know. So yeah, I'm just confused. I want to do brain emulations and then ask them, do you feel conscious? That's going to perhaps help us a bit.
Yeah, you mentioned whole brain emulation. So where are we in this journey to create the first uploaded person?
Right now, cool stuff is happening about the fruit fly brain. So we have a connectome of a fruit fly brain, and there have been experiments running extremely crude neural simulations, getting species typical behavior from some neurons. So this is not a full fruit fly emulation, but it has all the nerve cells and it shows promise. So I'm involved with several road mapping efforts trying to make this actually be done over the next few years, so that we can run real brain emulations of fruit flies and then eventually work our way up towards the mouse. There are even at least one company hoping to do this as a project. I'm getting more and more optimistic. I think we're going to see accelerating development on brain emulation, partially because of AI.